5 seconds. Start. I am very happy to be present here today for opening the new building of your university. All that you have said about this new university, which is only 6 years old, is commendable in many respects, although you have not had adequate equipment and the necessary wherewithal in the beginning. These serious shortcomings did not discourage you. In right earnest, you started the work. One might feel sorry, but I am sure no one will feel surprised to know that in its seventh year, this university does not possess departments in subjects like Sanskrit and English. On the side of arts. Stop.